By the time the tired soldier rolled into the little town, every hotel room was taken. Desperate, he pleaded with one of the hotel managers. "Come on, you've got to have a room somewhere." The manager scratched his head and said, "Well, I do have a double room with one guy already in it. But he's in the Air Force." Then he leaned in and added, "He snores. Loud, like shake the walls loud. Even people in adjoining rooms have complained." The army guy waved it off. "No problem," he said. "I'm exhausted, I'll take it." Next morning, the soldier came down for breakfast, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, grinning. The manager did a double take. "How'd you sleep?" "Never better," said the soldier, pouring his coffee. "Really? He didn't keep you up all night with his snoring?" The soldier smirked and said, "Nope. I shut him up quick." The manager leaned in, curious. "How'd you manage that?" The soldier sipped his coffee and said, "Well, when I got in, he was already snoring away. So I walked over, gave him a little kiss on the cheek, and whispered, 'Good night, beautiful.' That Air Force guy sat up all night long, watching me.